Holy crap, large tornado, large tornado. Large tornado on the ground.
Holy cow!
This is the first house on the right, turning into our street. Look at this. All the way down our street.
Damn! I'm gonna have to clean up some more trees. It's going right over Oak Mountain State Park. I see debris in the air, boards and stuff, siding, roofing. Oh, here it comes.
Be sheltered, small room, lowest floor, near the center, away from windows. Have a helmet on.
Turn right on Ragged Chapel Road.
Tornado on the ground right in front of me, going up this mountain. There's debris. Listen to that roar. This is a violent tornado. Debris falling. Holy shit! Hey, let's get in. Oh shit! Jimmy, let's get inside, yo.
Did you get that?
Yeah, look at this.
And the home behind it, crushed.
Tornado on the ground right in front of me, going up this mountain. There's debris. Listen to that roar. This is a violent tornado. Debris falling.
This is in the Cross Creek community in Pelham off of Highway 31. And you can see that there is extensive damage in this neighborhood. We've got trees and power lines down. It is essential, please stay off the road so first responders can get in here to help these people, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that was kind of intense.
Oh! Look!
Oh! Oh my God! What the? Oh! Oh, hell no!
Dios es grande con nosotros.
Oh
Mira
my
nomás.
God, I was so
Mira nomás.
scared.
Mira cómo quedaron estas casas.
Oh, maybe they hadn't built something yet.
That was probably a slum.